Hey everybody, Ali Flores here again with OrlandoVacation.com, where we're giving you some awesome tips and tricks on how to make your Orlando vacation awesome. What are we talking about today? We're going to be talking about Adventure Island in Tampa. So if you're headed to Tampa for the numerous experiences you can have out there, make sure you stop by Adventure Island, Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay's very own water park. But you know what I'm about to say. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified when these awesome videos pop up. Adventure Island was built in 1980. Oh, that's the year I was born. This water park is a sister park to Busch Gardens Tampa Bay and is located just slightly over an hour-long drive from Orlando. If you want to enjoy the theme park fun, but with smaller crowds, a day trip might be worth it. Also, a very important thing to remember, do not confuse this water park with the second park of Universal Orlando. It does happen, but they're very, very different and very far apart. Islands of Adventure is not Adventure Island. You will be very sad if you confuse the two. Not the same. Now, when you come, make sure you bring your swimsuit, sunblock, sunglasses, water shoes, and towels. You can get those here, but they're for an additional charge. You can rent lockers to hold all your items, or you can keep them with you throughout the day. Like other water parks, the center point is the wide blue wave pool. There are also several slides for groups, couples, and single riders. There are different types for different thrill levels and interests. When you come, you have to check out the two newest attractions at Adventure Island. First, get on Rapid Racers, a revolutionary dueling high-speed tube slide. You race against others down the slide. That's cool. Then you have to experience the Wahoo remix with new sounds and lighting effects for a whole new ride. There is a lot to do in the rest of the park. Just to name a few, there is Solar Vortex, it's a twisting, turning tube slide, Vanish Point, an intense drop slide where you just vanish and then people point at you and laugh because you screamed, Colossal Curl, Aruba Tuba, and much more. For the little ones, they can enjoy Fabian's Fun Spot, a large splash pad where kids can run about, spray each other, and have fun. There is also Splash Attack, a watery maze for all kids. The whole family together will enjoy the lazy river, wave pool, and the beach. When you want to take a break, grab a drink at the Hang 10 Tiki Bar and a bite at the Surfside Cafe. There are even food trucks and snack shacks. Getting hungry thinking about it. If you're wanting to enhance your trip to the park, maybe consider purchasing additional add-ons with your ticket. These add-ons can include quick queue to shorten line waits, as well as cabanas to have more privacy and relax. So if you're wanting to do something a little bit different on your trip to Orlando, don't hesitate to include an Adventure Island ticket for your next vacation. You can even add it to your SeaWorld and Busch Gardens vacation by purchasing a 2 or 3 part ticket. Call our reservations team today at 1-800-641-2008 to start planning your adventure. All right, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation, or you just need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.